Hi guys, it's me. Today we're diving into the Amazon Fire TV 75-inch Omni QLED series with the 4-year protection plan. This TV is designed to deliver a cinematic experience that feels bigger than its price tag. 75 inches of QLED panel real estate immediately changes the way any room feels, turning casual viewing into an immersive theater-like experience. The QLED display is where this TV stands out. Full-array local dimming enhances contrast, so that dark scenes stay rich without losing detail, and bright highlights pop with vivid intensity. Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10 Plus work seamlessly together to adjust the picture dynamically based on the content and your room's lighting, giving a premium viewing experience without the premium cost. Colors feel natural but punchy, and motion handling keeps sports and action sequences smooth without blur. Adaptive brightness is another key feature. It automatically calibrates the screen to suit your environment, so whether you're watching during the day or in a dim living room at night, the image remains balanced and consistent. The ambient experience transforms the TV when idle, showing artwork, widgets, and smart controls instead of a blank screen, adding a sophisticated, modern touch to your living space. Fire TV OS brings speed and reliability to the smart features. Apps open instantly, navigation is smooth, and the built-in ecosystem integrates well with other smart home devices. Alexa voice control is hands-free, letting you launch apps, change settings, or even control other smart devices with simple voice commands. For households invested in the Amazon ecosystem, the TV fits seamlessly, making daily use intuitive and effortless. Sound quality on this TV is surprisingly good. With support for Dolby Atmos, audio feels spacious and clear. Dialogue is crisp, background layers are distinct, and while it won't fully replace a soundbar, the built-in speakers provide solid performance for everyday use. Gaming, movies, and streaming all benefit from a more immersive audio experience. The 4-year protection plan adds long-term peace of mind. TVs of this size can be costly to repair, and having coverage for mechanical and electrical issues ensures that the investment is protected. It covers failures you don't expect but are glad to have insured against, giving you confidence for years to come. This TV is a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their entertainment setup. Large screen impact, excellent picture quality, responsive smart features, and dependable protection make it an easy choice for living rooms, home theaters, and family spaces. The combination of premium QLED performance and Fire TV OS convenience ensures that whether it's movies, sports, or gaming, the viewing experience feels immersive and effortless. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Amazon Fire TV 75-inch Omni QLED series with the 4-year protection plan, then please visit the link provided in the description.